I am so excited. Guess what just came in the mail? This is my quick order, and I used my Essential Rewards points to get this. So I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I got. Hi everyone, welcome to Discover Your Essential Oils. I'm Susan, and I'm excited to share with you my quick order that I got with my Essential Rewards points. Okay, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, first thing I see in here is I got a 3-pack of the Thieves Dental Floss. Now, the thing that I love about the Thieves Dental Floss is Young Living has taken such great care of this. They have saturated this dental floss twice with essential oils. So when you're using it, you're getting double protection of the Thieves Dental Floss. Who couldn't use double protection with that? And I'll tell you, ever since I started using the Thieves dental products with Young Living, great checkups. It's definitely a good one to do. Okay, and the next thing I got is a cinnamon lip balm. Now this cinnamon lip balm, it's moisturizing as it helps to prevent skin dehydration. It contains cinnamon bark and peppermint essential oils. Now I can tell that there is cinnamon bark and peppermint essential oils in this when I use it, because when I put it on, I do feel that little tingle, and I love that. I love feeling that little tingle. So not only am I helping to moisturize, but I'm just enjoying it because this is a very enjoyable lip balm on your lips. It just feels good. Just really nourishes, and I love it. Okay, another thing that I got, Kid Scent Lotion. Now the Kid Scent Lotion, it's gentle and mild, and you can add different essential oils to it for extra moisture. Now, one of the things that I like to do, and I'm really happy that this has come because honestly, I've been scraping at my Kid Scent lotion that I have, and it's a little hard to be getting that lotion out. You just get out as much as you can. So having this is great because I use this stuff every single day. I have a tendency to have drier skin, so I really like this. But what I like to do is I put the Kid Scent lotion on my hands, and then my favorite is to take a drop of frankincense essential oil, because frankincense is very nourishing to the skin. So I like to use frankincense essential oil along with the Kid Scent lotion and just massage it in wherever I need it, like on my hands, my arms, my neck, wherever. And I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm very happy to have my Kid Scent lotion again. Now, these next two products that I got are first time products for me. This is, so you're basically going to be getting first impression from me. The first one is the Coconut Lime Replenishing Body Butter. Now, this moisturizes your skin with a non-greasy formula. It nourishes and smooths skin with the help of 2 fruit seed butters, mango and, let's see if I could say this, kapuaku. Yeah, I think that's how you say it, kapuaku butter. Now, mango butter helps soften and soothe skin, while kapuaku butter contains fatty acids that help skin maintain a youthful appearance. So, okay, first time impression. Okay, that over there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you can smell that lime. If you love lime, this, oh, and it's non-greasy. I just got some on my hands. I love this. Okay, that's going to be another one of my favorites. Okay, so I've got the Kid Scent lotion with my frankincense, and now I also have some coconut lime replenishing body butter. Okay, I like that. I like having different options too, which is really good. Now, the last thing that I got is the Art Sheer Lume. Now, this is something I have wanted for a long time. Remember, I did not pay a dime for any of this. I used my points. And this Sheer Lume, I've heard so many great things. Let's see. Sheer Lume will visibly brighten and balance skin tone. You can apply a thin layer on clean skin, face, neck, or hands. You can also use it alone, or you can use this underneath your moisturizing cream. Now I've got the light moisturizing cream through Young Living that I love, and I use it every day, morning and night. So I'm excited to be able to use the Sheer Lume after I wash my face. I can put this on and then put my moisturizer over it. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so first impression, let me get this open here. Okay. Oh, this is a cute box. Really cute. This is a gorgeous container that it comes in. Oh, that is beautiful. Okay, so first impressions here. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Okay, what's the best way to describe this? Luxury. This is luxurious. It is just creamy. Look, can you see that? Can you see how creamy that is? And that smells elegant. That's got a very elegant smell to it. All right, my first impression of the Sheer Lume is, if this is something that you want, I mean, I haven't tried it yet. I haven't put this on, but just from the smell of it, I'm already really liking it. So I'm very happy that I used my points to get the Sheer Lume, because with this, it's like $69. So, but I didn't spend a dime on that because I used my Essential Rewards points. Being on Essential Rewards really pays you back. I got all 5 of these products for free because I used my Essential Rewards points. If you're interested in knowing more about what Essential Rewards are and what Essential Rewards points are, just leave a message in the comments. You can also look us up on discoveryouressentialoils.com. This is great. This is great. I'm really excited to try this out. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know what you think. What do you think about these products, and how do you use them? How do you use Sheer Lume? How do you use the Kid Scent Lotion? Or do you use coconut lime, what is it called? Coconut lime replenishing body butter? Because these 2 things are new to me. So if you have any great advice, I'd love to hear it. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time.